Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Yes, cold spark plugs can indeed cause misfire. Spark plugs with a cold or heat range may not reach optimal working temperatures, leading to incomplete combustion of the fuel-air mixture. This can manifest as misfiring, poor engine performance, and increased exhaust emissions. To prevent this, ensure your spark plugs are matched to your engine's requirements and driving conditions. Regular maintenance and choosing the right type of spark plug for your vehicle's specific needs are key to avoiding misfires and keeping your engine running smoothly.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.